Oogie. So I'm out in Hana on a shoot, and I'm going to be here for several days. And my buddy lent me his camper van. It's a van he converted into a camping van. Check it out, the world's smallest waterfall, micro tiny. Well, I made it to the entrance of the Hana bamboo forest. It's pretty amazing. Come check it out. Okay, I made it to the end. It's epic, epic waterfall. When on the road to Hana, you gotta do the Huli chicken. Living large in a micro tiny space. Gotta get outdoors, rain or shine, man. Woohoo!